What's up, peeps? You know, it's your boy Flossie. It's 88 degrees today, and it's a fun weekend. The pool is cold. I was iffy if I was gonna go in and dip. I mean, it's hot, but when I tipped my foot in the pool, like it was freezing, like ice cold, like winter. And it's just June just started, and I live in a cold state, so it ain't all that super warm. So I just talking and just hope y'all enjoy this vlog. It ain't long, but it was real freezing me to get my foot in. So right here, right now, I got my foot in the pool dipping, thinking about should I go in the pool or not. So I was tippy-toeing until I finally dipped my foot in, and I was like, wow, this water is too cold for me to go swim. I'm not gonna go in the water and swim because it's too cold for me. So I was there soaking my foot for a long time, people, before I even think that should I jump in or not. I don't think I'm gonna swim today again. You feel me? So it was taking me a long minute, So I was just there, just soaking my feet. And I was like, shit, I ain't gonna swim today because it's cold like winter. So yeah, right here, I'm showing y'all the pool. This is how the pool really look, people. Like, I wasn't using no effects or nothing to make the pool look crystal clear. This is how the pool naturally look when the sun is very hot outside. This is how the pool is real beautiful. The sun is glaring and glistening on the pool. Yeah, so the pool is real pretty. So like a hot day, it was like 88 degrees today, but I wish it was really 90 degrees. That 88 degrees where I live in a cold state, it's not really warm, people. It's not the Florida warm or Caribbean warm. Like, it's still cold. So it's like real chilly still. But yeah, the pool is beautiful, people. So I'm still showing y'all the pool right here. I'm at the 6 feet, showing y'all. This is a pool of my apartment, peeps. This is not like a pool at a house. But yeah, I'm gonna have that soon though. So yeah. So I'm just showing y'all how pretty the pool is. Like, I did some back flips, I did some front flips, but I couldn't get those footage in. I needed somebody to hold the phone for me, but nobody wanted to hold the phone for me. Like, everybody at the apartment was swimming and having fun because it be raining all week, and it's the first day everybody could get to have some fun and really enjoy the outside. See, I'm showing that I'm at the 6 feet. Yeah, this is where I swim, my people. So like, yeah, it's real deep, real nice. I was gonna make the video very longer for y'all and everything, but I got a longer vlog coming soon with me swimming, doing laps, doing back flips, doing front flips. Just flipping. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. I love all of y'all, and see you on my next